Hello, my name is Almog and I'm the CEO and VP R&D of Corneat Vision. We develop biomimetic implants and technology. Last year, I shared with you our mission of turning corneal blindness into a matter of the past. Today, I'm thrilled to say that our self-integrating artificial cornea just made history. Before I share the details, let me tell you a little bit about Corneat Vision and our breakthrough biomimetic implants and technology. It all starts with the extracellular matrix, which is built from tiny collagen fibers. It acts as a skeleton of our tissue that holds our cells together. What we're able to do is to fabricate and optimize a completely synthetic, non-degradable ECM-like material. When implanted, our material goes under the radar of the immune system and its structure stimulates cellular proliferation. It seamlessly biointegrates with the surrounding tissue, no capsule. We use this material to permanently attach synthetic implants to live tissue, conceal irritating implants, permanently reinforce soft tissue, and fabricate membranes. Currently, we have 4 products under development, 3 in ophthalmology. Our IP extends to many other solutions. 2 of our products are already in clinical trials, with outstanding results so far. The Corneat K-Pro is poised to revolutionize corneal therapy and provide, for the first time, a reliable synthetic substitute to the human cornea. It enables corneally blind patients around the world to fully rehabilitate their vision following a simple and straightforward procedure in a short follow-up. Unlike previous attempts in corneal transplantation, which try to integrate with the native cornea, a tissue that heals very poorly, we leverage our unique technology to permanently integrate our device under the conjunctiva, an area that is rich with blood vessels and heals vigorously. This past January, the Corneat K-Pro was implanted in our first patient, Jamal, making our dream a reality. After a decade of blindness and 4 failed corneal implantations, Jamal has regained his sight. Today, more than 5 months following the procedure, Jamal is content with his vision with no complaints of pain or discomfort. News about this success continues to spread globally. I welcome you to see the live implantation procedure by visiting the link on this slide. Our K-Pro 7mm aperture lens provides exceptional visual performance that is equivalent to a perfect cornea. It does not rely on donor tissue and is safer and accessible. Our breakthrough integration mechanism and unique integration site under the conjunctiva also allows for straightforward implantation. Trained ophthalmologists should be able to perform it in 30 to 40 minutes. Given the advantages of our K-Pro's unique design, integration mechanism, and implantation procedure, we strongly believe that it is poised to revolutionize corneal therapy and eventually displace penetrating keratoplasty. The potential is huge in both developed and developing countries. Since Jamal's implantation, we implanted 2 additional K-Pros here in Israel. All eyes are quiet. Our 3rd patient who suffered from OCP now sees 20/40. Our 2nd site just opened in Canada, with additional sites planned in France, the Netherlands, and hopefully the United States. CE mark is expected in 2023. The Corneat Everpatch is the first non-degradable tissue substitute for ophthalmic surgeries. The Corneat Everpatch is designed to be used in a variety of surgeries and displace the use of degradable grafts. It is essentially a piece of the Corneat K-Pro skirt, which can be used to permanently conceal irritating implants, cover non-degradable sutures, close tissue gaps, and regulate tenon hyperplasia following pterygium resection. The first Corneat Everpatch was implanted last December in Canada by Dr. Ahmed as part of a bilateral Ahmed valve implantation. The glaucoma device implanted in that patient's left eye was covered by a scleral patch, and the one implanted in that patient's right eye was covered with the Corneat Everpatch. It is easy to discern the differences between the eyes, the remarkable aesthetic advantage of the Corneat Everpatch, and the accentuated congestion and inflammation apparent in the other eye. We asked Dr. Ahmed to check whether the Corneat Everpatch adhered to the sclera. This is what he shared with us. The Corneat Everpatch clearly delivers. This is consistent with the results we received in our preclinical studies. In these histopathology slides, you can see that our material is full of cells and collagen several weeks after the implantation. On the right, you can actually see capillaries coursing through our mesh. This material literally becomes part of us. The Corneat Everpatch's advantages over the use of tissue in all aspects. All surgeons that experienced working with the Corneat Everpatch just loved it. It's flexible yet durable, it doesn't rip when sutured, and provides an aesthetic solution as it is partly translucent when wet. Our Everpatch clinical study is underway with 3 out of the 4 sites planned already recruiting. We have 15 implantations with excellent results. CE mark is expected mid-22, and we are expecting FDA approval later that year. We will be discussing this with the FDA as part of a pre-sub in the next few weeks. Last but not least, the Corneat eShunt, our novel and revolutionary glaucoma drainage device. The glaucoma devices market has seen tremendous growth in the past few years. However, this growth mostly relates to MIGS that address hypertension to moderate cases. Existing devices for advanced and refractory patients have seen no innovation. They are very invasive and do not provide long-term efficacy. This is where the Corneat eShunt comes into play. The Corneat eShunt is poised to replace the use of current glaucoma shunts and also address moderate glaucoma indications. While existing shunts rely on scarring processes or tube resistance to control flow, our shunt inlet mimics the structure of the trabecular meshwork to control flow and regulate the eye pressure. The device seamlessly integrates with the surrounding tissue, shortening the procedure. It also won't clog over time as its outlet is uniquely positioned deep in the orbit in an area that has only fat and blood vessels and is less likely to fibrose. We have successfully completed a proof of concept in animals, proving the device drainage and integration concept. All our shunts remain patent 6 weeks post-implantation, which is extremely promising in this challenging animal model. They all demonstrated progressive tissue integration. By the way, our last implantation took only 9 minutes to perform. We are currently focused on finalizing the manufacturing process design for the device with the hope of beginning a GLP animal trial later this year with the final device. A clinical trial with a 1-year follow-up based on the FDA 510(k) guidance for glaucoma drainage devices is planned for 2022. With that, I would like to finalize and thank the Corneat Vision team, the OIS for inviting us to speak again this year, and also thank our distinguished advisors for supporting us with enthusiasm throughout our journey. Thank you.